So, ibig sabihin, may items na siya and all. Pero wait lang, atin na natin bibigyan ng atagad si Lutfi.
Gina G, lahat na ba to kay Lutfi? At na ba to si Kiboy? Try to go into the backline, pero napigilan din siya ng malala. Even with the immortality, dalawa. Boy already used to conceal. So I think, kung gagawa ka ng play, it will have to be straight in your face. And, Boy has the vision. Masakit naman yung damage ng Falcons dito.
Dalawang hero yung
Walang namaburst.
Okay, na-reset yung Lord. Kalmado muna na tayo lahat, pati sa mga nasa comment section dahil lilipad yata or tatalon si Open anytime. Din na si Stretch lang. Napadir si Lutfi at yung Lord kalahati na yung buhay.
Ayan na, pumapader na. And kita mo naman ang target nila, si Savero talaga.
Ay!
Here comes Sans. Here comes Kyrie from the back. Lutfi goes down.
At parang itutuloy pa yata, meron kung sila habulin ng mga players dito ng Team Falcons. Ang players ng Onyx Esports. Meron pang pasok dito kay Kyle DC. Pero yun nga,
Dito ng Onyx Esports, hindi din pwedeng hindi sagutin natin siya
oh,
din.
feeling ko this is it for Team Falcons. May bit-bit silang Lord. Walang mabilis na pang clear yung Onyx Esports.
Oo.
Masasakit yung mga minion at masakit ang Team Falcons alone.
All in na to. All in, can we go? And they're trying to dive in as much as possible.
napalis
Sans is
Q.
down, Q is down as well. For this time
yun na,
around, I
yun na,
think
yun na.
buhay na lang sa ulan dito.